Hey, welcome back. We're doing a little parking lot repair today for a friend who's got a car that's running very roughly. It's a 2014 Jetta. He said it has some codes showing up. Well, let's see what's going on with this thing. Okay, we have a ignition coil primary or secondary circuit, PO351, PO300 random, PO304 number 4. And we can scroll down. The other one, I think you said it's probably number 1. No, cylinder misfire number 1. Got a bunch. Alright, since we have that many codes, we are just going straight to the ignition coil and replacing that. One coil handles everything in this car. There's the part number right there. We got number 30 Torx screw holding it on, 3 of them. Unscrew it. One plug down over here. To get the plug off on this, you need to pull back on that little tab and then pull it off there. And 3 Torx screws. Get your fingers under the boot to pull them off. Alright, pull out the last bolt.
They were like cats and everything too. I have one.
Alright, here is the offending coil. What brand is this? Well, it says VW on it. And just bolt the new one in. Okay, got the screws lined up. Put them in with our fingers. Tighten them up. Okay, all the bolts are tight. We'll put our plug in here. I hear a click, but I'm not hearing. Oh, it's on there though. And the wires go back to where they came from. Okay, start it up and see what happens. We're going to erase all the codes here. Erase. Yes. And now we start it up again. Ah, smooth running. There you go. That was a quick fix. 10-15 minutes, all done. And the train's right on time too. Thanks for watching.
Smooth running.